Baby, I'm close. I got a little something for you, but here's what I need you to do.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. I'm having a wonderful day, an amazing day. If you're new to the channel, should you like the essence of today's video or any other video that I post, I ask that you subscribe to the channel, become part of my internet family. I would love to have you. So you guys, this is part 3 of our empty nesting series. This particular house, our realtor called us and told us it was another house in another city, asked us if we were interested in it, so we came right over to look at it. So I'm going to share with you guys, because I told you guys from before I would share this whole journey and this process with you guys. Buying a house, y'all, is so stressful. It is stressful, okay? It's a process, but it is definitely stressful. But we'll get into that another time. But this is a perfect size when we say we want to downsize. And I guess, you know, and as I've told you guys previously in previous vlogs, that we're going to be empty nesters, where our kids are getting ready to graduate. And we got another one that's about to graduate next year, one graduating this year. So therefore, it's just going to be me and my husband. And we want to really downsize from the current house that we're in now, to downsize because we really want to travel, buy an RV, travel the world, and just enjoy our lives. You know what I'm saying? And we want to downsize. So this house I'm going to show you is one of the houses that our realtor said that came available. It just was placed on the market like 2 or 3 days ago, and she asked me if I wanted to go ahead and take a look at it. So I was like, I would be obliged. I obliged, okay? But anyway, so let's go ahead and get this tour started. So this is the front door, as you guys can see. This is the front door here. And then I'm going to turn the camera around so you guys can actually see what I'm seeing now. I love it. All right, so this is where we were just standing at, which is the front door right here. And to the left of it, it is the living room area. And what really drawing me to the house is all these columns. It just looks prestige. I love columns. It makes the home look homey. It makes it look rich to me, in my opinion. I'm not too thrilled about that chandelier, but that is something that I could definitely replace and get a new one. But this would be considered the dining room area. This is the foyer area, as you guys can see, and then you walk through. This would be more like the family area over here. It's got the nice fireplace. Got the double doors that lead to the backyard out here. Coming around, this is what we're looking at from this angle. So you got the front door here, the foyer, and then of course the family room. Coming over this way, which is the main part of the house, is the dining room area, or the kitchen, shall I say, or breakfast nook, or what have you. We've got the kitchen over here with the stove, the microwave, and the refrigerator, which is already coming with the home. What I probably will replace all of that and get stainless steel, but the seller is willing to keep all of that in the house, so that is a plus in our book for starting off. And I will probably want it, like I said, I would want to probably replace that as well, get a new stainless steel dishwasher as well. But you can see the fixtures are stainless steel. But yeah, so it's got a little bit more cabinet space than I currently have now, so that's greatly appreciated. So you walk out here, it's a screened in porch, which my husband would definitely love. The screened in porch right here, which you guys can see. So it's very nice and spacious and airy. We would definitely have to do some cleaning, some not air pressure, what is it called, where the people come and pressure wash. That's what it's called, pressure wash the house. It does have a ceiling fan, but we can go ahead and we can definitely get that replaced. But yeah, the house will definitely need to be pressure washed or what have you. So walking back in, go ahead and close this door. Walking through the kitchen here. It's a pantry right here. Nice storage. I will probably redo these cabinets or what have you, but starting off, this would be good, you know, just for starters. And to the left of that, you guys can see this is where we initially started in the home. So coming over here, this room right here is the garage. is a double car garage. It's unfinished, it's okay. So it's the double car garage here. And then this way is the laundry room, and it is an actual full room. So this is a lot of space for the actual laundry room. So I'm standing where the wash and dryer would be, and I'm able to actually stand here, and it has all this space in here. Then within the laundry room, it has a closet with more space. So I can put my linen, my bed sheets, and things like that in here. Then it has a door itself. Excuse me, so that is the laundry room. So coming back, you guys look at the other end over there? You been out there too? Oh. Huh? Okay. So coming back through this way, all the bedrooms are on one side of the hall. That's something else that I will probably change out, but for temporary, it's fine. But coming down the hall here, you've got another nice hall closet with cabinets, cubby holes, place to hang your coats, your winter coats and things like that. Got all that space down here. And it's secured with 2 double doors. All right, so further down the hall to the right is a bedroom. This bedroom is nicely sized. A ceiling fan, I'll probably change that ceiling fan out. And then of course the closet here has double doors, so it's a nice sized closet. All right, so that's bedroom number 1. Then down the hall to the right is another bedroom here. Right, same concept with the double doors. And then across here is will be the guest bathroom. Has the double sinks, the toilet and the shower combo, and then the mirror right here. And then that's me. Hang on. And then the light fixture, I will probably change that out too, but for right now, that's fine. So leaving out of here, this is the master bedroom. And one thing I do like about this house, it does not have carpet. I do not like carpet. I know the next house I would prefer not to have carpet, but this is the hardwood floors. Definitely appreciate it, right? So this is what the master bedroom looks like. It has the vaulted ceilings. Of course, another ceiling fan that I don't like, but we can definitely change that out. And it's nice and big and spacious. And then this bathroom, master suite or primary suite, has the double doors. So it has the double doors here. You walk through, you've got the double sinks here. Look at me again. It's got a window here with a nice tub, a standalone shower. Then of course that's the throne, the toilet room right here. Right? So that's the toilet area. And then to the left is a closet, which is a double door. And I think this closet is large enough for me and be smooth to put our stuff in. And whatever we aren't able to fit in here, we're able to just utilize one of the other closets in the other rooms. So this is contingent number 1. And I would say this is probably the house that I actually really like so far. So I'm gonna say this is number 1 on our list so far. So yeah, this is definitely number 1 on our list. All right, guys, so that is it. My husband was just pulling the truck in the garage to see if the truck will actually fit in the garage, because y'all know he got a Tahoe. So we just making sure that the truck will be able to fit in the garage. But it does. Y'all, I really like this house. Like I said, these columns right here really sold me on the house. And this is what I really call a downsize. You know what I'm saying? Like this patio area out here. You guys can see. I'm not gonna show too much of the outside part, but this patio area out here is perfect. I love it. All right, and there's one other house that she said she wanted us to come see real quick, so we're getting ready to get in the road and follow her to the next house. And I'm gonna bring you guys along for that as well. And yeah, guys, see y'all at the next house. All right, guys, so this is house number 2. So I actually started the tour upstairs first. So I came upstairs, and this is the basement. It is unfinished. So it actually gives us the autonomy to basically come in here and kind of customize it however I want. And as you guys can see, it's pretty much pre-laid out as far as the upstairs up here. So I can make this a gym, I can make this an office or my beauty room or what have you, which I'm really liking that space, that it gives me the autonomy to kind of, do whatever I want to do. So coming down the stairs, as you guys can see, they're going to be smooth right there. That's the front door. Okay, so when you first walk in, you're going to look to the left. That is considered the family room, and it is a fireplace over there, which I liked. Very nice and spacious. I love how it has the chair rails on the walls. I do like that feature in the home. To the left of us, it has a linen closet right here, as you guys can see. Right, so it has some space in there. Then it has this bedroom right here, which is a nice size bedroom. Okay, then you go further down. This is the guest bathroom. It has a sink here, the toilet, and then a bath and shower combo, which was pretty standard, which I can definitely appreciate because it's just going to be a guest bathroom, so that's okay. And then further down, you got the second bedroom over here. This is another nice size bedroom. This is another linen closet on the other end of the hallway. And you see this has shelving up here, which is greatly appreciated. And then walking over here is the master bedroom. Now this ceiling fan, it was okay. I would probably redo get another type of ceiling fan, but for starters, that's okay. This bathroom has the double sink, or the his and her sinks, with the elongated mirror, as you guys can see. It does have a nice size tub, and then a standalone shower, and then over to the back part of the bathroom, it is the actual primary's closet, and it has some cubby holes or cubby spaces, wardrobe rack, or what have you. So I can definitely appreciate the space in this closet. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. So this one is number 2 on the list. I can definitely say that this is definitely number 2. All right, so coming back through the living room, if you see the front door there, so looking to the right of the front door, you will see that this is the breakfast nook area. You guys see that it has chair rails, the crown molding on the walls, greatly appreciated. I guess this is considered a breakfast nook. I'm really loving those bay windows over there. I feel like that just makes a home different, and I like it. But yeah, so as you guys can see, that chandelier there, I'll probably change out all the light fixtures in here. It does have a bar area, as you guys can see. I will probably put between 2 and 3 bar stools right there, and I'm just basically pointing out the chair rails and the crown molding on the wall. I'm really loving that feature on there. The cabinets I'm kind of liking. I'm not like 100% like, oh, I love it, but I'm not opposed to having brown cabinets at all. But this is another one where the seller is leaving the refrigerator, the appliances in the home, which is greatly appreciated. And to the left over here is like this little office desk area. Really liked that feature. Over here to the back part, it has the 2-car garage, and as you guys can see, this particular garage has 1 door versus the other house it had 2 doors. So that is the garage here. Another thing that this house has is a washer and dryer, which is downstairs. It's just a washer and dryer space. It's not an actual room. But that is a nice size area for the washer and dryer to go. And to the left of that is the back porch or the back deck, which I felt like was a selling point for my husband because he is an outdoorsy type person. He likes to sit on the back porch and just kind of chill or what have you. And this is a screened-in porch. So it has a screened-in porch portion. And then to the left of that, it has an actual patio part where we can actually put the grill. And what we can do is fence in the backyard for the event for the dogs. So yeah, so that will be a great size backyard area for the doggies, and we will get that fenced in. I'm loving these floors. Looks like it's like gray hardwood or what have you. I don't know what type of finish it is, but it is gray flooring. And then in the kitchen area is that brown. I will probably go in and kind of have everything kind of coincided with one another from each room to another room. That is a project that I will probably work on. But it does have a lot of cabinet space, which I really like. The kitchen counter space, greatly appreciated. And yeah, guys, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. You guys stay tuned for more of our empty nesting tours and our empty nesting process, okay? I love you guys with the love of Christ, and I hope you guys see you on my next video. Bye.